A woman's sneezing attack is being blamed on a deadly wreck in Clay County. It happened this afternoon at the intersection of Highway DD and Lytton Way in Smithville, Missouri. Highway Patrol says Catherine Brady turned onto the highway and started sneezing violently. She crossed the center line and hit a second car head-on, killing 30-year-old Laura McClendon. A 1-year-old in that car suffered serious injuries and was taken to the Children's Mercy Hospital. Brady suffered only minor injuries and refused treatment.